Keylontic Science reveals that our DNA holds untapped potential beyond the double helix. This dormant genetic material can be activated through ancient wisdom and modern practices, bridging spiritual evolution with biological transformation. This framework offers a path to expanded consciousness, enhanced abilities, and spiritual empowerment, challenging conventional views of our genetic makeup. Keylontic Science unveils a 12-strand DNA system, the Silicate matrix, representing our true genetic blueprint. This crystalline structure, resonating at higher frequencies, remains dormant yet holds vast potential. The double helix is just a physical manifestation of a complex energy template, connecting us to our cosmic heritage and inviting a reevaluation of our biological and cosmic roles. In Keylontic Science, ascension involves activating dormant DNA strands, merging spiritual evolution with biological transformation. This process unlocks higher awareness and abilities, bridging ancient wisdom with modern science. Techniques for energetic recalibration facilitate this journey, offering a tangible form to spiritual concepts through progressive genetic awakening. Frequency resonance involves specific sound frequencies stimulating dormant DNA, initiating activation sequences. Crystalline restructuring shifts the silicate matrix from carbon to silicon crystal structures, enhancing energetic conductivity. Consciousness integration expands neurological pathways for higher frequency processing. Fully activated DNA acts as a biological antenna, integrating frequencies from higher dimensions, suggesting a future expansion of genetic understanding. Heightened sensory perception manifests as increased sensitivity to subtle energies, with colors appearing more vivid and sounds more nuanced. Shifting time perception includes experiences of time dilation and synchronistic events. Energy fluctuations involve spontaneous waves and unusual sensations. Memory expansion provides access to unlearned information and insights, indicating adjustments to expanding genetic expression and consciousness. The Diamond Sun template is the original divine blueprint for human genetic expression. It organizes our multidimensional DNA through sacred geometry, enabling light-encoded information transmission across dimensions. This template maintains electromagnetic integrity, protecting energy fields and allowing selective resonance. When activated, it supports continuous renewal and evolution beyond biological limits. Key activation techniques include sacred sound frequencies, which use specific tones to resonate with dormant DNA strands. Merkaba meditation aligns energy fields for consciousness transfer. Light language transmissions bypass the logical mind, stimulating genetic activation. Together, these methods synergistically enhance DNA activation, fostering continuous expansion and evolution. The 12-strand DNA model proposes that beyond our visible double helix, 10 dormant strands exist as electromagnetic templates. These strands, when activated, align with specific dimensional frequencies, unlocking evolutionary potential. This activation is integral to the spiritual ascension process, transforming energy into matter through dimensional interfaces, expanding our biological and spiritual capabilities. Keylontic Science suggests a biological shift from carbon-based to silicon crystalline biology, enhancing regeneration and frequency perception. This transformation allows the body to process higher consciousness frequencies, aligning with quantum biology research. This shift is not metaphorical, but a cellular transmutation, expanding our understanding of consciousness and matter. Conscious intention is crucial in DNA awakening, acting as the primary activator. It directs energy to dormant genetic potentials, signaling readiness for transformation. This mirrors the observer effect in quantum mechanics, where consciousness influences subatomic particles. In Keylontic Science, intention organizes energy to initiate specific DNA activation sequences, emphasizing unity consciousness over personal gain. Keylontic Science suggests DNA activation can compress evolutionary timelines, shifting from gradual adaptation to rapid transformation. Unlike natural selection, conscious evolution accelerates development within a lifetime. This aligns with the concept of ascension, where consciousness and biology evolve together, resonating with higher dimensional frequencies, offering a unique opportunity for accelerated human evolution. Conventional epigenetics reveals that environmental factors like diet and stress influence gene expression without altering DNA. Keylontic science expands this, positing consciousness as a potent epigenetic force. Thought patterns and emotions can activate dormant genes, suggesting consciousness fundamentally shapes biological expression, bridging mainstream science with broader human potential perspectives. Keylontic Science posits a link between human DNA activation and Earth's evolution. The planet's crystalline grid mirrors human DNA, with sacred sites acting as energy nodes. Activating the Diamond Sun template in individuals aids Earth's grid restoration, fostering both personal and planetary evolution. This interconnectedness accelerates global consciousness and collective evolution. As dormant DNA activates, sensory capabilities expand, allowing perception of energy fields and interdimensional awareness. Psychokinetic abilities may emerge, enabling matter manipulation through consciousness. Accelerated healing is facilitated by a crystalline cellular structure, enhancing self-healing and the ability to heal others. These abilities reflect expanded human potential, demonstrating consciousness's role in shaping reality. During activation, energy fluctuations can cause exhaustion and unusual sleep patterns. Cognitive recalibration may lead to temporary disorientation as neural pathways adjust. Emotional purification involves releasing stored patterns, resulting in intense experiences. Relationship shifts occur as personal frequencies change, attracting new connections. These are natural adjustments, best approached with awareness and self-compassion. Keylontic Science, though beyond current paradigms, finds intriguing parallels in quantum biology, which examines quantum effects on biological systems. Research on biofields and non-local consciousness suggests intention's influence on physical systems. Neuroplasticity and meditation studies reveal the brain's adaptability and structural changes, hinting at the potential legitimacy of Keylontic principles. Integrating DNA activation into daily life involves a 15-minute Merkaba meditation each morning, setting intentions and sound toning. During work, maintain energy awareness, practice conscious breathing, and hydrate with structured water. Evenings include advanced techniques and journaling. Weekends focus on deeper practices and nature connection. This approach enhances creativity and problem-solving in daily roles. Connecting with a resonant group offers validation and shared experiences, amplifying collective energy. Seek genuine evolution-focused communities. Mentorship from experienced individuals aids in interpreting experiences, fostering independence. Access quality resources like books and workshops, discerning authentic teachings. Balance community support with personal sovereignty, ensuring authority remains with your own discernment and experience. Scientific paradigms evolve, often incorporating phenomena once deemed impossible. Quantum physics shows reality operates differently at fundamental levels. While traditional tools may miss aspects of DNA activation, personal experiences and measurable secondary effects suggest validity. Authentic activation integrates expanded awareness, confronting limitations rather than bypassing them. Engaging skepticism refines understanding and enhances integration with existing knowledge. Begin your activation journey by educating yourself on multidimensional DNA and energy anatomy. Start with simple practices like conscious breathing and intention setting to prepare your system. Keep a journal to track changes and recognize patterns. Progressively explore advanced techniques, honoring your body's wisdom. This journey reveals latent human capacities, enhancing your full expression.